Well, I didn't think I'd have to do a video like this, but I'm going to try to keep it under 3 minutes. First off, let me just tell you, do not comply. I have seen the Alex Jones video circulating, and let me tell you, I used to be a contributor for Alex Jones. I've been on his show many times, and he vets his information. And of course, days later, what he said came true. We're starting to see the trickling back of colleges, counties, and different businesses, especially in New York, pushing masks. Not only can masks not stop an aerosolized virus, SARS-CoV-2 and all of its variants are spread via aerosol transmission, which gets into the deep lung. My colleagues and I that are industrial hygienists, also known as exposure scientists, have done the calculations to determine how long you need to be around something for it to be hazardous. Let me tell you that wearing a mask is not only not going to protect you, but it's going to create a greater harm. Not only does it impede those gaseous exchanges, which I've been calling out and showing those studies all on alternative media for the past 3 years while shutting down these mandates with my colleagues, but I'm going to explain to you, masks do not seal. Masks provide a less than 1% risk reduction and do cause a greater issue of increased viral load and increasing the spread. Look into what the Fogan effect is, because I don't have enough time for that here. But let me tell you, we need to implement engineering controls. Engineering controls, look at the upside down pyramid of the hierarchy of controls. We have to provide a 90% risk reduction in my profession. If masks provide a less than 1%, then why in the world are people obsessing over this control method? Because that's just it. It's a control method. Do not wear a mask. You are safer